In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Revolut under 18 account in the main app. This walkthrough is perfect if you're a parent or guardian who wants to create a safe, supervised account for a young person directly from your existing Revolut app. Before we begin, make sure your app is updated to the latest version and have your child's basic details ready. Accuracy matters here because this information helps Revolut tailor age-appropriate features and protections. Start by opening the Revolut app and landing on the home screen. If you're deep inside another section, just navigate back until you see the main overview of your accounts. Next, tap More. This is typically in the lower menu or visible on the home screen depending on your layout. From there, select Add Products and Accounts. This is where Revolut groups new features and account types so you can manage everything in one place. In the list that appears, look for Kids and Teens, sometimes labeled as under 18. If you don't spot it immediately, scroll through the options or use the search bar if it's available in your app version. Tapping this will take you into the dedicated setup flow for the under 18 account. You'll now enter your child's details: first name, last name, date of birth, and gender. Type everything exactly as it appears on their official documents because the date of birth determines eligibility and unlocks age-based tools. Take your time here. Mistakes can cause friction later. If you're unsure about any field, pause and double-check before moving forward. Once the form is complete, tap Continue. You'll see a summary screen that gives you one more chance to review. Carefully confirm spelling, the date format, and that all information is correct. When you're confident everything is accurate, tap Create Account. The app will process your request and create the under 18 profile linked to your main app. You should get a confirmation message letting you know the setup is successful, and you'll see the new account appear within your Revolut dashboard. And that's it, your Revolut under 18 account is now set up. From here, you can explore the features designed for young users like simplified balances and spending views while you retain control and visibility from your main app. If your region supports it, you may later find options in the app to personalize settings and manage how the account is used. For now, you've completed all the required steps. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.